The nurse working in labor room understands that preterm labor rupture of membrane can lead to the following. First one is cord compression, second cord prolapse, maternal wound infection, all the above. Then the right answer is 4, means all is correct. A nurse working in labor room and delivery is caring for a client that has been diagnosed with an incompetent cervix. The client has been informed by the physician she is now at risk for spontaneous abortion. The client asks the nurse about possible intervention. The nurse is aware the procedure performed for an incompetent cervix is called. Right answer is a Shirodkar procedure. A woman arrives at a birthing center for evaluation. She thinks she may be in labor. She is multiparous and experiences contraction every 3 minutes. Upon examination, the nurse notes that she is 5 centimeters dilated and 50% effaced. Which stage and phase of labor are the women experiencing? Correct answer is stage first and stage phase second. Stage first, phase second. Maternal complication of obstructed labor. All. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल बिकॉज मैटरनल डेथ ऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड लेबर के केस में मैटरनल डेथ भी हो सकती है, यूटेराइन रप्चर, फिस्टूला, ये सारी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. लेबर इज सेड टू बी नॉर्मल व्हेन इट अकर एट टर्म. ऑनसेट इज स्पॉन्टेनियस. fetus present by vertex. Correct answer is all, means all option is correct. Which of the following characteristics of contractions would the nurse expect to find in a client experiencing true labor? The correct answer is gradually decreasing interval. Which of the following are components of the cervical examination during labor? First one answer is correct. Dilation, effacement and station. During labor, which hormone gradually loosens all the pelvic ligament and provides more room for fetal head to pass through the pelvis? Relaxing hormone is correct. Labor is said to be prolonged when the pregnant woman in true labor experiences labor pain longer than 24 hours. Danger sign for a woman in labor is severe headache with blurred vision. Danger sign for a woman in labor. First one answer is correct. The diameter of cervical canal after the complete dilation is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is complete dilation. The second stage of labor is stage of expulsion of fetus. In which stage of labor the placenta is delivered? Third stage. Which of the following assessment finding of a pregnant lady determined that she is in the second stage of labor? Cervix is dilated completely. Second option is correct. First stage is also known as cervical stage. The third stage of labor usually lasts about 15 minutes. Cervical ripening occur in which stage? First stage. Describe third stage of labor from following events. Placental separation. At what stage of labor is episiotomy usually done? Second stage of labor. Major complication of third stage of labor is pph.